Hi guys, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I am going to teach you the if-else statement. So first of all, what is the if-else statement? The if-else statement is just used to check the condition. What type of condition? It is used to check any type of condition like this value is equal to this value or not, or 8 is greater than 7, 8 is less than 7, 8 not equal to 9, like this value is empty, this is this. All type of conditions, you can check any type of condition by using the if-else statement. Those students who have already learned the other programming languages, they know what is the if-else, but now I'm going to teach this if-else statement to those students who are new to the jQuery JavaScript. And now let's start. Here I have already created this file. Here you can see that this is a div, this is a document.ready, and here is the file is executed in the browser. And now here I'm gonna create a variable. Here is its value is x is equal to 9, and now here I'm going to perform I'm going to check a condition. Here is by using the if else. Here is if, then parentheses, and in between these parentheses what we need to do, we have to check the condition whether x value is greater than 10. So here you can see that I have placed the greater than sign. Here is the greater than sign. So now how this statement working? Here you can see that it is just checking whether x value is greater than 10 or not. If it is greater than 10, so it will return true, and if it is not, so it will return false. And on the basis of the true or return true and false, we will execute this block of code and we can print anything. Here is, you can do anything in between these parentheses. Here I'm going to print true. When this statement return true, then this code will be executed. If this statement return false, so this code will not be executed. If x is greater than 10, so this it will return true and this block of code execute. And here I'm gonna refresh it, and here you see that there is no alert on the screen. So why there is no alert? Because the condition is wrong. The condition returned the false. Here you see that x have the value 9. 9 is not greater than 10, so that's why it returned false and this code is not executed. Now x is greater than 8. Yes, it's true. X is equal to 9 and 9 is greater than 8, and here you see that it print true. So in this way, when the condition is true, it will execute this code, and when the condition is false, it will not. And here you can also place the less than sign. You can also place many other operators. These are the operators, comparison operators. I will discuss these operators in the next video. So you can also place this. So now here I'm gonna place 10. So now x is less than 10 means 9 is less than 10, and here this code will execute. But here if I write 9, so 9 is not less than 9 and this code will not execute. So in this condition, when it return the true, when it return false, when it is wrong, when it so now in this situation, this condition is wrong, it will return false and this code will not execute. So here we can place else part. This is the else part, and this part will execute when this first condition will return false, when it will be wrong. And here you can alert anything, you can print, you can do any type of code, you can do anything. And here I'm gonna return false condition. So now this text will be printed on the screen. Here you see that false condition. Why it is printed? Because this part execute when this condition is wrong, it will return false. And now here I'm gonna make it true. Here is, so now this condition is true and first part will be execute. So this is the conditioning. In this way you can check many other things. You can place the conditions at many places. We will use it. And now here I want to tell you another thing. You can place the if else as many as you want. When you place the else part, so you must need to place the if part. You can write the if part without the else part, but you cannot write the else part without the if part. So in this way you can place the as many if else as you want, as many if conditions you want. And so now here first of all I'm going to tell you a different thing. You have seen that at the first this condition will be checked. If it is true, this part execute, but if it is false, so this part is execute without any checking, without any check of the condition. So here we can also place another check. And here what you need to do, if you want to place a check in the else condition, you have to write if and then place the any condition. Here I'm going to write if x is greater than 8. So now here you can see that at the first this condition execute. Here I'm gonna make it wrong. Here is this. So now what is going to happen? First of all, it will check this part, and here it check x is greater than 10, so it's not. 9 is not greater than 10, so it will return false. Then it will return to this statement, and it will check x is greater than 8, so yes, 9 is greater than 8, and then this part execute. So in this way you can also place the if else, and here I'm going to check it, and here you see that false conditioning. And you can also place other text. And I just want to tell you, you can place the if statement, you can place the else if statement, and you can also place here another else if. When this condition will be wrong, then this condition will be check. So you can place as many if else if else as many as you want. And here I'm gonna just place the else part, or I'm gonna place the else if part. Here is x is greater than 11, so it will alert. Here is x greater than 11, or 9 greater than 11. So here it is, and this is else if part, and here is x greater than 11. And in this condition I'm gonna make it wrong. X is less than, and now here you see that all the condition are wrong. Here is 9 is not greater than 10, 9 is not less than 10, 9 is not greater than 11, so nothing is going to execute. So in this way you can place the condition, but here I'm gonna place a final condition. Here is default. You can say that all conditions are wrong or anything. Here you see that default, because nothing is true. So in this way you can just place the if else conditions as many as you want. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any problems, so kindly add the discussion. I will help you as much as I can. You can message me, you can add the discussion in the discussion area. So I will help you, I will rescue you from your problem as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this lecture. See you in the next lecture.